All right, we were both wrong. This is the car that we were looking for. 1972 Chevrolet Heavy Chevy. All right, going through. Brad, one of the owners, told me that I was wrong and that the car I was looking for, it was around the corner. There's his attack dog. Hi, Axel. There's a nice 68 Chevelle and a 72 Chevelle. And then F85 four-door Wildcat Plymouth. It's not here.
Yes, it is. Right here.
That's not the same one I have the video of, the pictures of.
Are you sure?
100%. It's red.
Well, then we're going to have to look at your pictures and I'll have to see if we find that car. But here's another Heavy
Oh, here's... Okay, this is another Heavy Chevy. This is not the one we were looking at. But, these things are so cool. Right axle, right attack puppy. These were, you know, like the Roadrunner and the GTO Judge of the Chevelle world. This one looks to be a automatic car, probably a 307 or something. You could get all the way up to a 402 in these. But see, I don't open hoods here.
Yeah, coal induction hood on it. Or not coal induction hood, but the raised hood.
Yeah, the raised hood. It's got the engine in it. It's a small block. So it's probably a 307. But yeah, I didn't see this one last time. Right axle. Good puppy. All right. All right. We were both wrong. This is the car that we were looking for. 1972 Chevrolet Heavy Chevy. This is the orange one. The other one was the silver one or gray. But this is the one that, when I posted it a long time ago, people went all crazy for it. Because very few people knew what a Heavy Chevy was. And this was the first one I'd ever found in a neglected state. So that was really, really neat. And this one's rough. It's really, really rough. So probably nothing's going to happen to it. It's going to be especially now that the tree is growing on top of it. Yeah, it'll be parts. Then next to it's a 56 Chevy 2-door post. And then I didn't get to see it all because I ran out of time because I'm lazy, but plenty of other cool stuff here. Hope you guys enjoy the videos. Rediscovering the red Heavy Chevy in the yard was definitely one of the highlights of this entire trip. But finding out that there was a silver one in there and quite possibly a blue one, which I showed in an early video, but the early one was basically a rotted out shell with nothing left. Could barely tell there was a stripe on it. But the silver one and the red one, those were the really neat Chevelles. I mean, yeah, there's some SS cars, but for unknown and rarity, can't get more rare than a Heavy Chevy. Okay, let's give this a shot. I'm using a new camera this time. We'll make videos in the future a lot less shaky, and the audio will hopefully be good, because I know those are two of the biggest complaints I get on the videos, is they're too shaky, and the audio isn't great. I do know that in the past what I did was I had either my GoPro or my cell phone on a handheld tripod. So I hope this works. You guys let me know how this sounds and how it looks. But I just got back from the Milwaukee World of Wheels in West Allis, Wisconsin at the State Fairgrounds there. And I was going to do an outro there. I had all the stuff to try it. And me and my friends were just so busy, we completely wasted the afternoon talking and BSing. And by the time we were all done, it was dark. So I had to come home and shoot this real quick before I went home. But this is the second to last video from Elmer's Auto Salvage in Fountain City, Wisconsin. I hope you guys have enjoyed this series. I know I need to go in further depth on the vehicles that I'm showing. And that will be a plan for the future. That's why I got this camera. It's a small, compact camera. I can get into nooks and crannies, and I hope to get some accessories that I can put some lights on it. And that way, things will look a lot better from here on out. But what else is going? Oh, it's actually above, I don't know if you can tell. You don't see my breath. It's above freezing for the first time in like 2 months. It's actually just under 40 degrees, and it's going to be almost 50 this week. I cannot wait to work in this garage. My workbench is a complete disaster from everything over the winter. And next weekend, I leave Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then coming back Saturday, I will be in Indianapolis for the Mopar swap meet at their fairgrounds. Come say hi. I'll be walking around for 2 days. That should be a lot of fun. And if anyone wants to give me any hints, I got some leads in the area that I'll hopefully hit up on my way home because I don't have anything really time consuming. So I might just do that. Bounce around I-65 looking up barn finds. But I am excited to pick up a few pieces that I need for the green car, including the rear trunk trim. I'm missing that completely. That's the only piece of trim I'm actually fully missing. I think I got ran over a long time ago and I threw it out. But otherwise, I have both the eyebrow pieces. I need the core support piece that my friends at Magnum Auto Restoration are going to install for me here in the near future. But yeah, so everything's been going really nicely. Of course, I wanted to open these always with Hey Automotive Adventurers, but I forgot again. I hope you guys share, like, and subscribe because that allows me the opportunity to keep on doing this, and they've been doing okay. What else? Oh, and then yeah, got a lot of stuff cool planned. So I'll talk to you guys all soon. Stay safe.